Hello everyone, let me hope you're doing well. So I bring you the weekly analysis. So this is something like the third weekly analysis. So we are trying to break down these three pairs, the ones that I trade: Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CAD. So as you guys have been witnessing on the channel, I've been posting what I'm feeling the market is about to do. But right now, by the moment, I'm expecting sales from both GBP USD and Euro USD, and this is the reason why. So if I can take you on the monthly time frame, I think I've already shared this analysis before, and it's the same week after week. So as you guys are seeing, we have a breakout structure, multiple breakout structures, and we have our liquidity low right here. So we are expecting price to redistribute into the liquidity low. So we are expecting this low to be taken out by price. So going on the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, this is what I'm seeing. We are seeing that price had to react off this zone that broke structure, but price liquidated that zone. So it reaccumulated. Why am I saying that? It redistributed. Why am I saying that it redistributed? Because as you guys are seeing, going on the 4-hour, something like that, this is what happened. Let me go back up, daily time frame. As you guys are seeing, it liquidated the zone, but it broke multiple structures. And this is not the only thing that it did. It broke down multiple structures and reacted off the zone, and again broke the structure. This is what I call the double MB rule, the double PB rule. So as you guys are seeing, price reacted off this supply zone and liquidated the low. So as you guys are seeing, the liquidation of the low brought price at this zone right here. So we are seeing the extreme zone. But the moment we are not seeing anything at this point, we are only seeing this right here, that this is the high right here. So as you're seeing, we have the high right here. This is our high that we are dealing with, and this is our low right here. So what we are looking for at the moment is a reaction of this zone right here. Though it looks that it had been tapped into, but it wasn't completely tapped into. It was missed by a mere wick. Actually, it was a small space, as you guys are seeing. It's right here. So we are expecting price to redistribute. So going on the 1 hour, this is what I'm seeing right now by the moment. Okay. So we are seeing a change of character occurring in this way, that we are seeing a break of structure right here, a break of structure up, and break continuous. We don't care about that. But as you guys are seeing, when price broke out, it mitigated this demand zone right here. Okay, and it continued upwards. So if price is showing us that it has invalidated this low right here, this low that mitigated this demand zone, it shows us that price is becoming weak, continuing us to the downside. So I mapped out this breakout structure right here, and what I'm looking at this point is the zone that broke structure. This is the zone that I'm looking at first of all. So I'll be looking for a confirmation from this point, taking price relatively lower. So if I get a reaction of this will be my first target. You know, the 3 box, this will be my first target, liquidity low, and managing price to the low right here and continuously down, as I showed you guys. So we have to merge up these 3 things. First of all is structure, and this is the structure narrative that we have right now. We have the SND rule. We have this SND right here, and also the extreme SND. We look at 2 SNDs, the SND that broke structure and also the extreme SND. And we also look at the confirmation, and the confirmation we are looking at this point is either the Wyckoff, the double cycle blocks, or the cycle vault entry criteria. So that's what I'm looking at on GBPUSD, and all what you know, guys, GBPUSD moves correlatively with EURUSD. So both of them I'm looking for sells. So going on EURUSD, this is what is occurring. I don't want to go back much on what the 12-month chart is doing. So we are going to go on the monthly, grab our way up to where we are right now. Okay. So you're seeing we are still having the breakout structure. We are continuing lower, expecting price to take out this low right here. Okay. So this is what we are looking at by the moment. So checking out that low, going on the weekly, what are we having? We are looking for a redistribution to the downside, but here is the tricky part. EURUSD is showing something different. We are different than GBPUSD, because for it it's showing a reaction taking off to the top, but I found its remedy. So going on the 4-hour, this is what is happening. As you guys are seeing, we had first box with the impulse to the upside, reaction of the zone, but this is actually what happened. Okay, going on the 4-hour right now, we had a breakdown, we had a choke right here, a break right here. Okay, so this is where most of the guys are going wrong. So if you're seeing this thing, the way price reacted off the zone was so vague. Okay, it first created this double MB rule. We expected price to continue higher, price went down, so we expected price to go lower, but this is what happened. Price liquidated the people's stop losses up and continued to the downside. Okay, that was wrong. I've seen this in multiple occasions. Most of the times when price does this, it shows that it's going to continue lower, though I'm not saying this is not financial advice. I'm not saying that it's going to go lower, but it has a higher probability of going lower because I've back tested this and I'm really sure about this. So let me remove this. So by the moment, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this zone right here to work with. Okay, let's plot that zone well, and going on the 1-hour, this is what I'm seeing right now. So by the moment, I'm not going to rush onto EURUSD. So in order to short EURUSD, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for this zone to be liquidated. I'm going to wait for this low to get liquidated, to get run. Okay, so I'm expecting this. So if this happens, then I get involved in the big shorts. Okay, get involved in the big shorts. But if that doesn't happen, because right now this is what is happening, we have the breakout structure right here, and this is the zone that broke structure, so it's significant for this big push up. Okay, so as you guys are seeing, this is what I'm expecting. So if this low is run, I'll be continuing to the low, you see, because GBP is showing so, and I'll be continuing that so. Okay, so those will be the conflicting ideas on EURUSD. I have two things I have in mind. I have the shorts and the buys on EURUSD, but as you know, guys, these two pairs, GBPUSD and EURUSD, they work hand in hand. Okay, so working with USD card, let's go on USD card and I show you what's happening right now. So I showed you this, I think, in the recent analysis, and I was like, price is continuing to the high, this high right here, because as you guys are seeing, we came from the bottom right here, we broke structure the first time, broke structure the second time, and we're expecting this high also to be run. Okay, so on the weekly chart, this is what we are seeing right now. We are seeing equal highs. I don't give a fuck about that. And we are seeing inside here, we are seeing that price is accumulating to the upside. So going to the daily time frame, this is a beautiful 3-box that has been formed. Okay, so we are seeing that the beginning of this year, actually last year, end of the last year, we're expecting price to react off this and continue to the low, but this did not happen. Price just came down, reacted off some zones. I don't give a fuck about that, and came up, liquidated this high, and it's continuing to the high right here. Okay, so what I'm expecting right now, entering into the week, because we don't care what the position people are looking at, though we need to know the direction. So the breakout structure right here gave us a beautiful zone right here, the zone that broke structure right here. But again, price cannot sometimes cannot reach these zones right here. So what it can do, it may accumulate, and we shall get involved in these areas right here. Let me say, like on the 5-minute, what it's doing right now. So on the 5-minute, if this happens, if we break out in this range, let me say at that point, let me delete this. Sorry. So if we break out that range and we are bullish, I'll look out for my zones, and those will be my zones, and I'll be looking for confirmation in those areas. Okay, so as simple as that. 3 box. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to take your USD card to the moon. So DXY, same news. So my market analysis was backed up by the sentimental view of the market. So as you guys are seeing on my FX book, Euro USD is showing a lot of buys. Like most of people are putting their buy positions, and this is a good sign, because if there are many people opposite to what you're doing, it shows what the bank is about to do. So this is what most of the times that I use to confirm my analysis. So if this is opposite on what you're seeing and you're right according to your strategy, and then you're right. So if you're seeing USD card, most of the people are looking to sell USD card hard, and for us, we are looking to buy USD card. This is a good thing, so just settle with that. Okay, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.